and Mr. Alberto Lianeta.
Yeah.
And then introducing the boxers from Curtain Racer. Our first bout for the
Pasok sa loob, pasok na, pasok. Coach, dito ka. Ayan o.
Okay. So yung yung unang tatawagin, blue corner. So yung red corner, yun yung pangalawang tatawagin na pangalan. Okay? So dito sa about na to, would be James Nicolas, blue corner, Mark Ryan Bialtay, red corner. Okay? So introducing the boxers for the first bout of the day. First introducing the fighter from the blue corner, from the AG Boxing Gym, James Nicolas. And his opponent across the ring from Patoy Boxing Gym, Mark Ryan Bialtay.
Prepare natin mga kapandoy si Arnold Machete Bato. First round.
Break! Box! Break! Leo! Box! Diskarte. Good! Break! Box!
Good! Patawan!
Break! Box!
Then the first round.
10 seconds.
Second round.
Two, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay?
Lapit. Go. Bilang ulit.
2,
Kamay mo.
3, 4,
Kamay mo.
5, 6, 7, 8. Okay?
Oh, tingin mo na. Bato, pakiramdaman mo yan.
Thank you kailangan.
Tingin mo na yan, bato. Wala na, bato. Tama na.
Referee Bernardo Machete starts the bout.
Tinigil, hindi na tinapos ang third round. Tinigil mga kapandoy. Ito yung boxer ng Pandoy Boxing Gym. Ito AJ Boxing Gym ang itinigil. Kata sa kamay rep, tapos ang kamay, okay. Nanalo, okay, good. Nice. Good.